The city has adopted a preliminary tax levy, which is used by Washington County to prepare proposed property tax notices. Taxpayers receive these notices in the mail in November each year. A new Minnesota state law requires supplemental budget information be included with the proposed property tax bill. This summary information includes the property tax levy and summary budget for the county, city, and school district. We are a vibrant city with a large increase in tax capacity due to successful residential, commercial, and industrial growth. That growth contributes to taxes per capita dropping while we maintain a very high level of service for residents. On November 29th from 6 to 8 p.m., there will be an open house at City Hall to answer any questions about the insert or the city's budget. On December 7th, the City Council will adopt the final budget for the next year. The proposed 2023 levy brings our tax levy to 12.6%, or $20,649,710. A majority of that goes to a general fund that supports all the public services our residents enjoy. Yet, even while the tax levy rises, our city tax rate continues to go down while market value of homes go up. Here's a snapshot of what your city taxes pay for. Now, let's take a look at the budget information insert you will receive in the mail in November. To give you a better understanding of what this insert contains, let's drill down into some of the categories and what they represent. Property taxes. These are inflationary increases to maintain current service levels and address supply shortages, such as fuel costs for squad cars and plow trucks to increased asphalt prices for maintaining roads. All other revenues. These are all revenues not covered by the first four categories. This includes licenses, building permits, engineering charges, revenues for the golf course and ice arena, stormwater utility charges, and transfers in from our enterprise funds to pay for general government services. Streets and highways, and culture and recreation. These both account for the hiring of an additional public service worker. All other current expenditures. This is for all other categories that are not listed above, such as debt service payments, equipment replacement, purchases, and transfers to other funds. The City of Cottage Grove seeks to be transparent with residents about financing and taxation. If you still have questions or just want to learn more, join us at City Hall for the open house on November 29th from 6 to 8 p.m.